Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RST Paragon waterproof leather gloves. Okay, retail on the Paragon waterproof leather gloves is $109.99. You want to see what we're selling them for? Visit the website. This glove is a full gauntlet foul weather glove. It's got a waterproof inner lining. A lot of leather is used externally along with the textile. Let's talk sizing, because with gloves that's really a huge deal. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on now with these. They fit and feel exactly as I would expect. Comfort is good right out of the box. This glove does offer a measure of insulation too. They focused a lot of the insulation, it feels like, away from the inside of the palm and the fingers to the outside, the back side of the hand, and that's really where you need it, so that's smart. Carbon knuckle protector, excellent mobility. Some motion panels here in the fingers, leather reinforcements. We've got some reflective inserts there, which is nice. See a motion panel here in the thumb. You get to the palm in the high wear area. They have an overlay there. Some energy absorbing foam that's used in the overlay here on the palm. Safety strap at the wrist. Volume adjustment here at the gauntlet. They also have a zip. If you need to expand it even more, you can open the zip up, tuck it in that garage. It'll allow that bellow to open up even more to accommodate sliding it over your jacket. Remember, with waterproof gloves, if you slide the gloves over the outside of the jacket and it's raining hard outside, when the water runs down the sleeve, it can run inside the glove. You can try and mitigate that a bit by trying to snug up the gauntlet around the outside of the jacket, or if your jacket allows for the sleeve of the coat to go over the outside of the gauntlet glove, the best way to seal it up is to do that. And this one does offer, a pretty trim design up here. You can see you can really kind of bring that bunch it all together. Odds are some jackets you'll be able to slide that right over. For most, I think what you would do is you'd use this over the sleeve of the glove. Realistically, riding when it's absolutely pouring cats and dogs outside, that's no fun. Quality of this is excellent. We're selling this well below the retail on the website. I think it's a good value. All the RST products have brought tons of value for every dollar you spend. These are the Paragon waterproof leather gloves.